This Ninja Foodi Power Mixer System CI-101 is a purpose-built solution for modern kitchens that value efficiency, precision, and power without unnecessary clutter. Designed as a dual-function appliance, it seamlessly combines a high-performance hand mixer with a robust immersion blender, powered by a 750 peak watt motor. This combination is not simply about convenience. It is about delivering professional-level results across a wide range of everyday cooking and baking tasks while minimizing the number of tools required. Unlike traditional hand mixers or basic immersion blenders that excel at only one function, this system is engineered to perform both roles with authority. From delicate batters to dense doughs and hot soups, it maintains consistency, control, and reliability. The overall construction, balance, and attachment design reflect an understanding of real cooking environments, where precision and durability matter just as much as raw power. At the core of the Ninja Foodi Power Mixer system is its SmartTorque technology. This feature allows the motor to intelligently respond to resistance, maintaining consistent speed even when blending or mixing thick, heavy ingredients. Many handheld appliances slow down when faced with dense mixtures, which leads to uneven results and extra effort. This system avoids that issue entirely, producing smoother batters, evenly blended soups, and better emulsions without interruption. The difference is immediately noticeable when working with doughs, nut-based sauces, or hearty vegetable soups. Speed control is another area where this appliance distinguishes itself. The system offers 5 dedicated mixing speeds and 2 specialized blending speeds, each optimized for the task at hand. This level of control provides confidence and accuracy, allowing users to tailor performance to the recipe rather than forcing the recipe to adapt to the tool. Slower speeds enable gentle folding and careful incorporation, while higher speeds provide the necessary force for whipping, blending, and emulsifying. This thoughtful separation between mixing and blending functions enhances results and reduces the risk of overprocessing. For baking enthusiasts, the EasyGlide beaters play a critical role in overall performance. Designed with increased surface area, these beaters incorporate more air into batters quickly and efficiently. The result is improved texture, better lift, and a lighter crumb in cakes, muffins, and quick breads. Whipped cream achieves a stable, airy structure faster, and cookie doughs blend evenly without excessive mixing. These improvements are not subtle. They are the type of refinements that elevate home baking closer to professional standards. The immersion blending function is equally refined. The 9-inch stainless steel blending arm is long enough to reach into deep pots while remaining well-balanced and easy to control. A built-in pan guard protects cookware from scratches, allowing direct blending in a variety of pots and pans without concern. This capability is particularly valuable for soups, sauces, and stews, as it eliminates the need to transfer hot liquids to a separate blender. By blending directly in the cooking vessel, flavors remain intact, cleanup is reduced, and preparation becomes more efficient. Versatility is one of the strongest advantages of this system. With a simple attachment change, it transitions easily between tasks such as whipping eggs, mixing cake or bread doughs, blending smoothies, pureeing vegetables, emulsifying dressings, or preparing mashed potatoes and dips. The included 3-cup blending vessel further expands its usability, offering a convenient option for smaller blends, sauces, and personal portions. This adaptability makes the system particularly valuable in kitchens where space and time are limited. Ergonomics and comfort have clearly been prioritized in the design. The handle provides a secure, comfortable grip that reduces hand and wrist fatigue during extended use. Weight distribution is well balanced, allowing for steady control even at higher speeds. Despite its powerful motor, the appliance remains easy to maneuver, making it suitable for both quick, everyday tasks and longer, more involved recipes. Ease of cleaning is another practical benefit. All detachable components are dishwasher-safe, simplifying post-cooking cleanup and encouraging more frequent use. The compact size of the attachments allows them to be stored neatly in a drawer or small cabinet, reducing countertop clutter. This thoughtful approach to storage and maintenance reinforces the appliance's role as an everyday kitchen staple rather than an occasional specialty tool. The included components reflect the system's comprehensive nature without excess. The package contains the power base motor unit, hand mixer attachment, whisk, EasyGlide beaters, stainless steel immersion blending arm, a 3-cup blending vessel with lid, and a recipe guide. Each piece integrates seamlessly, and the overall build quality suggests durability suited for regular use. There are no unnecessary additions, only functional components designed to support real cooking needs. In practical, daily use, the Ninja Foodi Power Mixer System demonstrates clear advantages. It reduces prep time, minimizes tool switching, and delivers consistent, repeatable results. For smaller kitchens, it offers an efficient way to replace multiple appliances with one versatile unit. For experienced cooks, it provides the precision and power needed to refine techniques and achieve dependable outcomes across a wide range of recipes. This system is especially well suited for home cooks who value performance but want to keep their kitchen streamlined. Bakers will appreciate the improved aeration and mixing control, while everyday cooks will benefit from the speed, flexibility, and reduced cleanup. It is equally appealing to individuals upgrading from underpowered mixers or looking to consolidate tools without sacrificing capability. In summary, the Ninja Foodi Power Mixer System CI-101 stands out as a thoughtfully engineered kitchen appliance that genuinely enhances the cooking process. Its combination of power, control, ergonomic design, and versatility makes it a reliable solution for mixing and blending tasks alike. Rather than serving as a compromise between two tools, it excels in both roles, offering long-term value and professional quality performance for everyday kitchens. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.